So you remember when we first met at Big Northwest a year ago when we had our booth?
I do, yeah.
That was a pretty memorable moment for us, getting to meet you and Dawn, and realizing who you were at that point in time, as we were just getting started in the manufacturing process, and now we're a little bit more interested in rally.
Right.
And here we are today with your 2007 SRT Ford.
Yeah, I'm super excited about kind of taking everything full circle. From when we first met, and you're building the company, and now you're continuing to grow and build the company. And I think it's a great time to not only get one of your products in the car, but help me shave some weight, because the Dodge Caliber, I love this car. Obviously, my family, we're all about Dodge. My husband Don raced Dodge, worked for Dodge. He bleeds Dodge, and I've done a bunch with this specific car. In Target, Newfoundland, and then also, a bunch of rally crosses and things like that. So it's going to be really exciting to take it out on a stage rally. And it's like Christmas.
Here is our Mele Rally Spec battery mount that we made and just installed in Karen's car. We're using a steel Rally Spec mounting plate that allows a lot of variability in how you mount the battery. We designed for 4 specific batteries, but based this around the tried and true Odyssey PC680 dry cell AGM battery. It allows you to mount the whole case and battery either upright or on its side to help distribute the weight evenly on the floor, help lower center of gravity, as well as actually shed some physical weight from the existing battery setup that was running here before. That should translate to a little bit more help with weight transfer. We're using an all aluminum case as well. We chose that for a reason. It's 5052 marine grade aluminum. That way it can withstand pretty much any environment.
Roads like Oregon Rally, which will be my first event as a driver, they're really fast and technical, and so it'll make a big difference for me. So yeah, I'm excited to see how it goes, and it was really fun to watch you guys get it mounted in, and I think it's going to make a big difference.
Yeah, well, thanks for having us. We appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you.